You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give, the Larson difference.
Take a ride in the 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.